Right off the top of this video, this is about Glucodrain. It's a bottle of supplements called Glucodrain. 60 capsules in a bottle. The bottle mentions Ceylon, cinnamon, apple peel, vinegar, turmeric, and bioperine and ginseng root. Whatever that is. And so this is a product that I'm seeing going around. I've never seen it before today. Today is, February 9th. And I noticed this and said to myself, okay, I want to know more about this because this is something that claims to have an average customer rating of 4.9 out of 5 on a website where I saw it. And here's the thing, Glucodrain, there could be a company out there and their product is being misused with deep fake videos of celebrities, of doctors who have nothing to do with this, because no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorse Glucodrain. So if you're looking for Glucodrain reviews and complaints, Glucodrain ingredients, Glucodrain anything, I'm going to show you this video that I found here. Check out my screen. This is going to have Oprah. It's going to have other people. They have nothing to do with this Glucodrain product. It's going to claim that Glucodrain for diabetes. It's going to reverse your type 2 diabetes. It's going to be this amazing thing. And I'm assuming they're going to promise you a recipe at the beginning, which is the classic promise, a scam promise, where there is no recipe. They're just lying to you, get you to watch the whole video. It's a hook to get you to watch the whole video. Let's see what they do here.
What I'm about to show you is going to make you furious. Because even though they've told us that type 2 diabetes is a lifelong chronic condition, legendary Hollywood star Sharon Stone just proved that's a devastating lie. Sharon, back in 2001, you suffered a hemorrhagic stroke that nearly took your life. During recovery, doctors found out you had developed type 2 diabetes. They told you you'd need medication for the rest of your life. But here you are today, completely free of diabetes. How is that possible?
That was clearly Sharon Stone on like the David Letterman show or something. That's what the set looked like. It didn't look like where Oprah was outside. And the Oprah outside thing looks like the Harry and Meghan interview. And if I had to just a guess. Again, this is about Glucodrain reviews and complaints, Glucodrain supplements, Glucodrain pills, Glucodrain for type 2 diabetes.
Oprah, I was exactly where the people watching this video are right now.
So that looks like an AI-generated chair and completely AI-generated Sharon Stone with a backdrop matching where Oprah is. That's what that looks like to me. But I have not seen whether or not Oprah interviewed Sharon Stone in that setting. It could just be a deep fake, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI-generated audio. Could just be that. I don't keep up with all these interviews.
Terrified, pricking my fingers 4 times a day, watching my vision get blurry, feeling my hands and feet go numb. Every morning I'd wake up wondering, am I going to have another stroke? Am I going to go blind?
So there is a Sharon Stone Oprah interview. So I was so confident about the AI thing. It is a deep fake though, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio. Sharon Stone has nothing to do with this. Oprah has nothing to do with this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people do.
Will they amputate my feet? The insulin shots left bruises all over my stomach, and my blood sugar kept going up instead of down, no matter how hard I tried. Then, during a trip to London, I met Dr. James Mitchell, an incredible endocrinologist.
Dr. James Mitchell, endocrinologist, might be a real doctor, might be a real name, but he has nothing to do with this. Dr. James Mitchell, endocrinologist, what is this product again? Glucodrain? Nothing to do with it, no.
He looked at my labs and said something that changed everything.
Sharon, your pancreas isn't broken. It's being sabotaged by a faulty protein hiding in your kidneys.
He explained that there's...
I don't need to show you anything else. We have all the information that we need, so don't buy into this. This is my advice, my opinion. Don't buy Glucodrain because it's not going to have miracle properties. Go see a doctor. Money back guarantees you cannot trust through scam funnels. Might charge you subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month, maybe, I don't know. And a bunch of other stuff that just is not very trustworthy. So go see a doctor. I'm not calling this product a scam. I'm not saying Glucodrain is a scam, but I am saying that it has scam marketing, unauthorized, whatever you want to call it, affiliate, misuse of the product, third party, whatever. Whatever I'm supposed to say. So Glucodrain, stay away from it. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. That's really big. And let me know if you have more information about this. I'm curious to know. Thank you so much for watching.